Hello students, welcome back to Simple English with Ivy Kath. Have you ever noticed that just saying please doesn't always sound polite enough? In fact, sometimes it can even come across as a little too direct or demanding. Today, we are going beyond please and learning the real phrases native speakers use to sound genuinely polite, respectful, and natural in English. Trust me, once you master these, your English will instantly feel smoother and more professional. So let's start with the problem. Imagine you say, "Send me that file, please." It's polite, yes, but doesn't it sound a bit flat? Or even slightly bossy? That's because politeness in English isn't just adding please. It's about showing consideration for the other person. That's why we need stronger tools. And that's exactly what I'll give you today. Instead of saying, "Please give me the report," try, "I was wondering if you could send me the report." Or, "Would it be too much trouble to share the report with me?" See the difference? These phrases are softer, kinder, and they show respect for the other person's time. In a work email, you might write, "I would really appreciate it if you could send me the report by Friday." And in casual conversations, "Hey, would you mind helping me with this?" It instantly sounds warmer. Politeness also matters when you disagree. If someone says something you don't quite agree with, instead of saying "you're wrong," try this. "I see your point, however, I respectfully disagree." And here's a great tip. Use hedging language like "I think," "it seems to me," or "perhaps we could consider." These soften your opinion and invite collaboration instead of confrontation. It's the difference between starting an argument and starting a dialogue. Now, what about when you're offering or refusing help? Instead of the basic "do you need help?" say, "Is there anything I can do to assist? Please let me know if you need anything at all." And if you need to say no, don't just say "I can't." Try, "That's very kind of you, but I'm afraid I can't at the moment. I really appreciate the offer. However, I won't be able to this time." It's polite, but still clear, and people will respect you more for it. Finally, let's upgrade your thank yous and apologies. Instead of just "thank you," say, "I'm truly grateful for your help," or "your assistance was invaluable." And instead of a simple "sorry," try, "I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience. My deepest apologies for the oversight." These expressions carry more weight. They show that you really mean it. So there you have it. Polite English beyond just please. These are the little nuances that makes your English sound confident, natural, and professional. Which of these phrases will you start using first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to grab your free PDF with all these phrases written out for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.